Hey everybody, Robert from 4K High Films, and today we have something special. Now, every so often we get a product and one we get to test and really have fun with. So today we're testing out the CM7000 Commander gaming headset from VANKYO. So I can't wait to open up this box, get into it, and test out this product. So the first thing you'll notice when you open the box, on the top sleeve is the user guide and support card. The user guide is going to give you step-by-step instructions in multiple languages for connecting to your PC and/or gaming console. The next item in the box is the 7.1 surround sound USB adapter. This will connect directly to your computer and/or gaming console to give you a more realistic sound during gameplay.
Okay. All right.
Also in the box, you'll find an audio and microphone splitter cable. Last, you'll find the CM7000 Commander gaming headset. With the ergonomic design and premium metal material, it makes these headphones strong and durable. Once connected, these headphones are compatible with multiple platforms such as PC, PlayStation 4 controller, the Xbox One controller, the Nintendo Switch, and your mobile devices. A great feature is the controller setting. With the 7.1 surround sound adapter connected, the adapter turns into a fully functional controller, controlling the lights on the headphones, the on and off switch for the noise-canceling microphone, and volume control. These headphones are one of the premier headphones on the market for gamers alike. So, there you have it. I gotta say, I had a lot of fun testing these headphones out. If you want to get yourself a pair, you can click the link in the description below.